something. And yesterday, I'm gonna tell you yesterday when you was thinking your shit, I was like, you know what? That's why this nigga so motherfucking in shape, so motherfucking healthy, because nigga eat shit that got substance to it.
Right.
You know? I eat motherfucking McDonald's every motherfucking day.
Man, let me tell you something, brother. I'm not. Listen, let me just cut you short, because you are a very disappointing person to me. You and my homeboy. Yeah, I gotta tell you and my homeboy straight up, man. Y'all disappointing to me because both of y'all chefs and don't fucking cook for yourselves.
See, that's how.
I'm just saying though, because for the health benefits of it, you know that cooking for yourself is 100 fucking times better. And I understand getting burnt out during the week from just doing the same mundane thing. But like you see me, bro, I cook one, and well, okay, again, and that's the other thing. So I'm not a picky eater. I don't have to have steak today, chicken tomorrow, lamb, shrimp. I don't have to have the whole change of diet. So when I cook that crock pot, that shit lasts me the whole fucking week. Unless I, divvy it out with friends and shit, but that shit that lasts me the whole week. And I can mix all my little meats and everything else to cross it up, to stretch it out. But it's a complete healthy meal with every fucking thing you need in it. Yes. Absolutely. You know what I'm saying? If anything, you should be cooking you a crock pot and just having that as an emergency meal. You know what I'm saying? If anything. But yeah, bro, you got to take better care of yourself, man. You are an aggravation, man. You're an extreme aggravation. You know what I'm saying? Just telling you that straight up. It's not. It's like because you're a child, you're a grown ass man, but you thinking like a child because right then and there I shouldn't be buying this goddamn McDonald's, and I should be taking my ass to somewhere or trying to get me some goddamn. But again, you in a different scenario. You driving around, you know what I'm saying? You on the go. I'm not on the go like that. So it's a little bit different, you know what I'm saying? Because you got to, bitch, you got to eat something. I understand you got to eat something, and it ain't no motherfucking, hey, come and eat healthy here stores. You know what I'm saying? In abundance and shit. Shit, fucking that ain't they go to make you healthy and shit. Oh no, we want to keep you healthy, man. We're gonna have the best motherfucking shit up in here. We know you're gonna come back and pay for this high ass motherfucking shit. Right. No. Might pay for that high ass want to be organic shit, and it ain't even organic. But yeah, man. I'm thank you for being observant, man. Thank you for being observant, man. Yeah, you got it. It'll come to you though, man. I'm telling you, that shit gonna burn you out, bro. All that fast food eating and shit, it's gonna come to a head. You like, man, fuck this shit. Just because of the monetary wise, add up all the money you spend on fucking fast food, bro, and combat with that with your weed smoking.
And shit because of the price. Because, bro, like, you gotta understand, yo, we was eating in the morning and at night. I mean, and for lunch. You know what I mean? So when I eating a $5 meal, I went from spending $35 just on lunch and breakfast every day to $5.
Oh, okay. See, I don't do breakfast. Yeah, I don't eat breakfast at all. I don't eat breakfast at all. My breakfast is maybe a cup of goddamn juice and an apple or a mango and shit. That's my breakfast. I ain't never been a breakfast eater though. I ain't never been one to want to get up. Even in the military, you know what I'm saying? When I was in the army and shit, man, when I got on my own, I wasn't getting up eating no motherfucking breakfast and shit. Fuck that shit. I wait till brunch. We had brunch. Nigga, 11 o'clock. Bitch, you get the best of both worlds. You know what I'm saying? Breakfast and lunch. Nigga, fuck I'm gonna do with some goddamn just eggs when I can get steak and eggs, nigga, at 11 o'clock. Shit.
Oh, come on, you goofy ass on. Block off my motherfucking chill. Stop. Hold your bitch ass up, son.
Yeah. All right, yo, check it. I just want to let you know, man, you are live. So we are live on the show.
We live right now?
Yeah. My bad. I'll tell you that.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Yeah. Y'all live. Okay.
Hold on, where we live on?
Nigga, we live on everything. Motherfucker hear y'all on Favorite It. Motherfucker hear y'all across the world. Nigga, everybody listening in with their nose asses. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, what it do, people?
Nose asses. They all. Y'all see crypto, goddammit. Hold on. Turn my shit. Y'all see, we over here live, so y'all don't think this shit's a game. You know what I'm saying? Over here live and shit. Nigga looking all professional and shit. Nigga look like he got a real job and shit. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out niggas with real jobs. I mean, real jobs. J-O-B. All right, so before we even start the show out, man, I said I was gonna do it. I don't know if he tuned in or not, but it is what it is, and I stick to what I said I was gonna do. So got a brother, man, listen. I had a couple of problems with T-Mobile, you know what I'm saying, with my hotspot. And I had to call in the customer service. And ended up talking to the brother on the phone by the name of Francis. And Francis is in the Philippines. So I got to give a hello and at salamat, which is hello and thank you. You know what I'm saying? For keeping me on the phone for like an hour. You know, he kept me on the phone for like an hour, drilling me on some good questions, though, man. I mean, it was just people. That's just like y'all jumping into this show, and then y'all start asking us all kind of just weird stock and crypto related shit. And we are not gonna get offended. We're gonna try to answer every single one of them motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? If not, write it down and be like, we get back with you. You know what I'm saying? Real quick. So it was real cool, man. And crypto, you heard it yesterday. So we was on the show. We was on this, you know, doing the little cash and stuff. And I'm getting a call from T-Mobile. So I'm not the goddamn phone. I mean, that bitch, you know, I hang up. It's a Sunday. Nigga, it's Sunday. You fuck T-Mobile calling me for a phone on the Sunday. You know what I'm saying? So I hang up the first. I ain't even pick up. You know how you just press it down. I did this on the third time. Now he don't call back to back 3 times. I mean, he blowing this bitch up like it's your old lady and shit. And she know your ass sneaking around and shit. Nigga, pick that motherfucking phone up, nigga. I know where your ass is at. I put the motherfucking tracking on before you left out, bitch ass nigga. Shit. That's how it kind of was. And he called back. So the 4th time, you know what I'm saying? I went on and said, fuck it, God, man. Fuck y'all want. You know what I'm saying? Tell these bitches I'm bringing their shit back. I don't even know what the fuck he want. And when he called, he was like, hello, sir. I'm like, Francis? They're like we cool and shit now. You know, they're like, my motherfucking homie and shit. Like, nigga, you ain't called a nigga in like 12 years, nigga. What's that, boy? And so yeah, he was like, sir, I just wanted to call and say thank you. I checked out the YouTube channel. I subscribed. I really like your content, and I'm interested in learning more. Man, y'all can kiss my ass, Americans. I'm straight up blank like that. Y'all kiss my entire ass. That's crazy that a motherfucker done had to go all the way overseas. You know what I'm saying? To get some motherfucking recognition. We done got goddamn Martin Luther King and Malcolm X up in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Go overseas and shit, bitches throwing. Nigga, I ain't never seen a motherfucking green rose, nigga. I'm talking about they throwing green rose petals and shit. And then these ain't even food color. These real goddamn green roses that only grow in this specific region and shit. And they throwing these bitches down right below our feet. That's how that nigga felt, man. I mean, he was just real. He was so appreciative, man. And that's just some genuine shit. When you know somebody just called you out the blue on a company phone.
Yeah. It was all worth it. Just that one motherfucker. It was all worth it. Just that one. It was all worth it. Hey, almost 2 years. It was all worth it.
And the fact that you was there. And the fact that you was there to hear it, bro. And it was just on an off. Unrelated, not even on the show. You know. No, I'm just saying, but the fact that it wasn't. Oh, he talking real talking shit. This nigga really at work and shit. My bad.
My bad.
Yeah. But it's all good. So once again, man, salamat. You know, all my Filipino people out there, man, much love. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe bell. And don't worry about this crazy content, people. Do not be distracted, all right? Our show is by design because a lot of people in this world judge books by their cover and they do not open the fucking books. Some of y'all dumbing in a box of rocks because y'all carry around books for a flashy cover, but you never open the book up because you're scared of what's on the inside of it. And we do that intentionally. This show is done by design. We want you to absolutely get distracted by us cursing. We want you to absolutely get distracted by us smoking weed. So who the fuck cares? Absolutely distracted. We start drinking alcohol. Who the fuck cares? Because if you're not reading in between the lines and listening to the substance of the information that we are putting out, then you are doing yourself a the fuck service. And you're not doing what the Filipino people are doing. You're not sitting up here being distracted by this man curse. They might be entertained because that's not their norm, normal language to be able to hear and get turned on to. But the fact that he came back and we spent an hour on the phone and he asked me very relevant questions, not bullshit questions. Just really, I'm interested in going down this route and I'm so thankful for actually meeting somebody who just, you know what I'm saying, is not getting frustrated. You know how people get frustrated from you ask a bitch 2 questions and shit. Man, why you asking all them motherfucking questions, man? Who the fuck you is, dog? Why you asking all them motherfucking questions? This goddamn customer service and shit. I'm the customer. I'm supposed to get some goddamn service. You know, I spent all this time asking me questions. See, people get like that. People will get like that on you. You know what I'm saying? Me? No, people, if you ever ask me a question, I'm going to do my best to give you the answer. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the only reason we are in this world is to ask Q&A. Ask questions so you can get answers. Ask questions so you can get answers. Ask questions so you can get answers. And you can start figuring out your own scenario. Man, what the fuck is going on with this slow ass video? God damn. It's supposed to be a 4 damn minute video. 4 damn minute video. I didn't ask for a 4 hour damn video. Shit. All right. But anyway, how your day starting out, brother, before we get this show popping real quick? You know, I'm like, what the fuck is this?
She keep hitting on me. She going out. She going out look like this. She like.
Was she cross-eyed?
No, the nurse like, stop it, girl. Go ahead. Stop it, girl. Go ahead. Go ahead. Stop it. I was like, oh shit. I know I told her this. Go ahead.
She was cross-eyed and shit. The way you was looking and shit, man. She came out looking at me. Like the bitch cross-eyed. You know that's good pussy though. You know what I'm saying? Cross-eyed pussy is some good pussy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just don't be looking at it while you trying to hit her from the front, because you're gonna go cross-eyed yourself and shit. Girl, you got me fucked up.
I ain't letting whatever y'all. I'm not letting.
Can a cross-eyed person say, "Look me into my eyes"? Hey.
You don't love me no more, back, because I show you about I ain't saying you sit there, man. You don't love me no more, yo.
Hey, fucking goddamn. All right, hold on, people. All right, give me 2 seconds.
My morning calls and shit while you working out, no nothing. I'm like, damn, because it ain't my fault. Yeah. I'm not supposed to know the battle only is one battle. I got it now. Yeah, dude. I think I love you, baby. Ain't got nothing but love for you, baby.
Keep on rocking me, babe. Keep on rocking me, babe.
Hey, here your boy. Follow me, brother. Follow me. Follow me.
Mr. Goddamn, follow these.
I'll battle later. You go hear your boy to get out of here.
That nigga was motherfucking goddamn. It's like I goddamn was what I'm talking about. He been waiting to get this follow all fucking day and shit. Like, nigga, I have been waiting on you. I have been waiting on you to get this follow. Oh yes, I need your follow. No, I don't need the other 1 billion people on the fucking app. I need just your one specific follow. All right, follow these nuts, motherfucker. That's what you gonna do.
Don't worry, don't follow me. Don't follow me.
Don't, no. Just dog. Goddamn. I want to say, goddamn. Goddamn. Shit. Shout out to all my people over there, man. I love my peoples, man. Y'all motherfuckers annoying as hell when it comes to these goddamn apps, though. God damn, y'all annoying as fuck. I don't have to follow you just because you stalking me and shit, bitch. I don't want to I'm stalking you, stalking motherfuckers who I want to stalk. Motherfuckers got shit I want to talk about and talk to about. Just because you sit in your motherfucking Africa Bambaataa ass sitting over there and shit, like I'm supposed to pay attention to that shit. No. And you sitting in the goddamn looking like a goddamn Habibi and shit, sitting all in the dark and shit with your lights off. I ain't got time for that shit. Kick rocks, man. You scare me sitting in the dark, nigga. Fuck. Follow me, nigga. You might be leading a nigga down a dark, dangerous path and shit. Hell, fuck, I ain't follow you and shit. Fuck. Anyways, people, we're not going there. Ah, man, how the hell video creation failed, man? Man, y'all with this bullshit. Motherfucking in video. Could have made this shit off my damn phone.
Yeah, bro, I gotta buy me a weed pen,
A weed pen. I can't do them vapes, man.
I can't really do vapes either, but hit that motherfucker right now. Have me right. I don't give a fuck about that damn vape.
Oh, cause you ain't got no. Yeah, that's true though. You know what I mean? You don't really just like when you at work, yeah. Cause you just have that. You just want that taste. You know what I'm saying? Just that real mental. All right. Ugh. And then kick that little shit off your brain and shit. People don't be understanding that. And it's not about smoking people, really. It's just the aroma of, you know what I'm saying? Like a bitch, if a bitch ain't got no weed and a motherfucker got a jar from the dispensary, you will see a motherfucker crack that goddamn jar and be like, and be therapeutic and be straight for a minute. If it was some good weed in that bitch and left the good residue smell, hell yeah, man, shit, that's all the bitch needs, man. It's all in your mind, people. This shit is all in your fucking mind. I mean, my mind is telling me to roll the fuck up right now, but you know what I'm saying? It's all in my mind and shit. This shit telling me to roll up. Shit. Hey, real quick, I just want to let y'all know what today's show about. All right, so today we talking about short selling, and the reason I'm bringing this up because, of course, Virgin Galactic right now is. See where the hell it's at right now. Nigga, you realize we are talking on the phone, nigga, not on the show. Nigga, we on the phone, nigga. This is just regular conversation, nigga. This is not any other. Yeah, that is just no. Talking this whole goddamn time and shit, and I have my volume down because I ain't want to be interrupting this shit. All right.
This nigga head, bro.
All right, so Virgin took a little slip down to $3.16 currently.
I gotta buy. Fuck. Damn, bro. Why didn't I buy a 270 or waiting for fucking 250, bro?
And
I ain't
then
mad at the car. I'm just mad that I ain't. I could have brought in that 270 and price cost average down to 250 if it would have dropped.
right.
No, I'm price
Coinbase,
cost down now. Now my average base cost me fucking 315, 310. Matter of fact, let me see
Coinbase
now.
and Nvidia still on the roll doing their thing. So shouts out to
I'm gonna see
Nvidia.
what I'm at over here with that shit. Let me see.
Nvidia with the $4 trillion market cap on y'all bitch ass.
4 trillion. That's crazy, bro.
That's crazy. Like,
Crazy.
damn. That's basically saying, bitch, we can do what the fuck we want to do in this market, nigga. What y'all talking about, bitch?
Y'all gonna do nothing.
Fuck y'all can't do. Y'all can't do that. Shit. But the description of the show was short selling, all right? Because I mean, this is not like I'm no. We're not okay. First of all,
Well, my
shit,
average cost is 293, so I ain't mad. Let me see how my
wait a
details.
minute. They done took my goddamn intros down. We can't even do. Oh wait a minute, no, I can still play that.
Oh shit, bro! I lied. I am down on version. My over. I was looking at what I got in, but my overall, I'm down $46. Damn, how the fuck did that happen?
Right. Go ahead. You
How
want to
the
call
fuck
that
am I
shit down?
down $46?
Real quick, this is our disclaimer. You know what I'm saying? Let me play our show disclaimer for y'all ass. Bitch be getting on there. He told me to buy all the stocks. He told me to buy all the crypto. And he told me to sell low.
He told me to sell low.
He said sell it at 250.
Oh God! He said, "Well, wait till it drop down, then you sell it."
Shit. He said red was good. Only buying the red.
The Bitcoin
Like that.
Enmo Show Season 2. If you don't know what's going on by now, you need to go back to Season 1. We are knee-deep in terminology and moving on to bigger and better words. Join us every Monday at 9 a.m. ES with your hosts Smelly Koins and Crypto. Tony, tune in or get traded out. FYI, we do not give out financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. Information is to be used at your own risk.
Not real. All right. So letting y'all know. I mean, what y'all finna hear, man, listen, it might not even be the best goddamn information, because sometimes I be looking at shit in the negative. And for me, short selling is the same. It's a negative activity but with positive outcomes. It's negative to do that to a person's stock. To just outright short sell a big shit for no reason. You know what I'm saying? Because you're shortcutting
boxes at my door, and they all
the
got
stock.
your address.
Nigga, yo goddamn loud ass motherfucking Lionel Play World ass goddamn walkie talkie nigga. Goddamn nigga. Feel like I'm at work and shit. Nigga, I don't work for the fucking institution. Nigga. Shit. I guess we all on lunch break and shit right now and shit. We on fucking Crypto Tony's goddamn lunch break. Shit.
Look, bro, we
All
get
right.
it in, people. Well, look, when we can get it in, we get it in. How we gonna fit it in? We gonna fit it in. You know what I mean? We on lunch break. Yeah, yeah. What? Y'all go back to these episodes. Y'all got lunch breaks. Y'all got vacations. Y'all got family meetings. Y'all got everything. We didn't give y'all every part of our life. Y'all, we done made sure we got this motherfucking show out on Mondays. You heard me?
Night shows, like everything, people. So it's going down just like that.
Not 1 week missed in almost 2 years. What y'all talking about?
Man, that's crazy. Not a week. I mean, we might have missed, a day. We might not have been on the day. You know what I'm saying? On Monday, but yeah, we haven't missed a day. I mean, a week in a day. So we've been in this
about life, boy. It's always something happening. Hey, yo, you see Bitcoin hit its all-time high of 121?
Man, I ain't trying to hear that. That shit sounds stupid to me. What the fuck is an all-time high? This motherfucker ain't never got a chance to get no goddamn well when it was pre-COVID. That shit was at 100-something thousand then, and didn't get to reach no all-time high. I don't like to hear people talking about no all-time high. All-time to me is if it retraced. If that bitch retraced all the way back down to 40,000, okay, 120,000 would be the all-time. 121 would be the all-time high. This shit ain't stopping though. It hadn't even taken a dip. This bitch is steady. Goddamn.
But it don't matter if it's 121 and 121 and 1 penny over. That's the new all-time high. That's just.
I'm just saying because it's we've never seen any. You know what I'm saying? Like this is the first for Bitcoin. Like to have this untethered movement. You know what I'm saying? Without any kind of events fucking with it. So I mean, like it could have been all-time high, could have been reached, you know, during COVID. You know what I'm saying? But it just wasn't. And now we throwing out this all-time high. But I'm talking about tomorrow. That bitch gonna be at 122. Then what? We have the all-time high at 122.
Yeah,
that's tomorrow. You know, 123 again. Why don't just fucking wait and say and wait till 130? And bitch, the all-time high is now at 130. Bitch, we've been predicting and waiting on this shit. Now it has hit. But then again, people, if you do that shit, you might as well put your fucking money where your mouth is and goddamn do a stock options trade. And learn how to options trade, because that is what options trading is. You just have to have the goddamn money to make the play. And wait, to sit and wait. Put your asset down. Put your asset down. Make the options trade. Say that motherfucker is finna go up, down, or whatever. And sit there and wait on your money. There's so many millions of ways to sit up here and make money, people. Short selling is just one of them, you know, another way.
You know, that's one of them things, you know.
It's another one of them things. Of course, short selling, again, to a person that has the stock, that, you know what I'm saying, they don't want bitches short selling their stock. Like you're giving false looks to my stock. It's like when Lil Wayne went out and went and like a lot of rappers do. When them motherfuckers go out and y'all see, oh, he done had $1 million in record sales. Really? Nigga ain't got a video on TV, but he done sold 1 million motherfucking copies. And then you come to find out that he, just like a lot of motherfuckers, they go and just buy 1 million motherfucking copies of their unit and then get the units out. But they got that million unit sale
in that first week.
That's all they give a fuck. They want to show that 1 million motherfuckers potentially was interested in my shit. Now, regardless if I had dollars and I went and bought all those motherfuckers and then again hit the corner and just gave my shit out, you know what I'm saying, to make it popular, I still have on paper I sold a motherfucking 1 million units. And that's what counts. In some instances, you know, it's that showing. So again, short selling is that undercover little brother tactic that y'all can use to kind of bail yourselves out. Man, what the fuck is going on with y'all today? All right, hold on, man. I got the back door. This shit. Y'all done pissed me off. Can't stop the hustle, people. All right, we're taking a little slide for the lunch break. It's now 12 o'clock for the lunch break, and Virgin Galactic has slid down 2 points. Because, you know, people got to eat. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers got to eat. Traders got to eat, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn. Can't just... Nigga, the bots got to eat oil and shit. You know what I'm saying? Shit. I don't know what the fuck they eat. Microchips or bites or some shit, but they got to take a bite. Yeah. Robots got to take a bite. What the fuck they eat? Microchips or some shit. I don't. All right, I gotta do this shit again, man. These people are fooling me with this shit. Is that bullshit? I can't get jiggy with it. And shouts out to everybody over here on the other side. I'm not mentioning any names on our show. You know what I'm saying? When we roll like that, motherfuckers ain't paying me for the advertisement. But if y'all want to ever, check us out on Mondays, man, you have to hit the subscribe little button. I mean, you have to for us. We won't just be asking for that shit. You have to, because our shows is not, shit on schedule like that. I mean, when we say 9 a.m., shit happens in the world. We get jobs and shit. You know what I'm saying? We go through pain management courses. We have to, divert a little bit. But we still here. Shit, we ain't say,
At some point
Tuesday.
on Monday, y'all will see us.
We saying every Monday. Shit, might be Monday night, Monday afternoon, Monday brunch. God damn it. But then it's been making it do what it do. All right, so let me go back in here. Why the hell is not creating my shit? I don't know 80 credits, motherfucker. What the hell are y'all talking about? See, now in video trying to get slick. But remember, AI people out there, just because y'all got a platform, it's 1,000 other motherfuckers that's coming out here doing this free shit. So don't think that motherfucker need y'all. You know what I'm saying? I can make these shits off of render forest or Grok or anybody fucking else. You know what I'm saying? Now, hell, even ChatGPT will make up a well, no, they ain't doing the videos yet. That's the only thing they slacking on. All right, hold on. This is just as simple as it is, people. Y'all make the shit all complicated. Same video y'all finna see me display. You see me doing this shit right here on my phone. Watch this. Create a 4-minute video about 10 must-know terms about short selling. Just that simple, people. I didn't type nothing, no paragraph. I didn't put nothing wonky. None of that shit. Didn't try to talk like a goddamn computer. I just this is the fuck I need. 4 minutes talking about 10 must-know terms about short selling. And specifically for the Bitcoin and Mo show. Create a video for the Bitcoin.
Hey, what's your location? Out back in Maine.
All right. I should have said stock video only. Make sure you say stock video only, because now they try to sit up there and charge you for generative media and all that bullshit. Everybody want to try to make money off of it, which I ain't mad at you. I just ain't paying you. I just ain't paying you, goddammit. Shit. But what have you ever short sold anything? You ever did that? Practice short selling?
Nope. I mean, my whole trading career, I've been a straight up buy and sell. I ain't never shorted long. I guess I won't say I shorted the market. I can say I long the market, because that's just holding long term. You know what I mean?
Right.
But I never really shorted the market.
So here we go. With y'all little brief explanation, we're gonna get into it before we can get into it, because the damn little presentation ain't ready. It's fucking 2 tears in the bucket. Investopedia.com, you can go and look up the term short selling, give you a step-by-step guide for shorting stocks. All right, shorting means manipulative. Just what the fucking term say, shorting. You know what I'm saying? Taking your money out early.
Buy 250.
Yeah. Short selling is a trading strategy in which a trader aims to profit from a decline in a security's price by borrowing shares and selling them, hoping the stock price will then fall, enabling them to purchase the shares back for less money. Completely makes all the fucking sense. So
that shit don't make no sense to me.
Real world example. Okay, so Virgin Galactic was at, well, okay, so I was at, let's just use this example. I had 303, I was at average cost of $3.13. That's where I was stuck at. You have two options. Now what he does and what he practices is the same damn thing. It's just short selling is a more grotesque way and immediate way of doing it than averaging costs down. When you averaging your costs down, you're using your own money and you're actually adding to your asset, and you're trying to bring it down by adding more money to it. That's averaging the cost down, and every time you keep adding money to it, you'll see the price average and try to bring you closer to within the current average cost. Okay, that's averaging the cost down. Short selling, however, is when I seen it at 313. Okay, so I had 200 shares. I took 60 of those shares and sold them basically for a loss. What you would think is a loss, okay? Because I'm selling them. The current price is at $2.89. I'm selling them basically at $3.13 though. So I'm selling them basically. I'm selling wrongfully. I'm selling high. And in this instance, because the stock is $2.89 and I'm at $3.13, so I'm stuck. So I'm not getting the money that I'm supposed to get. All right. So what I did, when you short the stock, you're gonna take a portion, not all of your stock. Oh, all right. You're gonna take a portion, not the whole stock. You don't take the whole stock and sell it. All right. You take a portion of the stock. So 200 shares. Out of my 200 shares, I sold $60 worth of the shares. All right. What that did was immediately. Oh, all right, yeah. Oh, I got you. Was immediately it dropped my price. Let me mute one now. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. But it immediately dropped my price. All right, so it dropped it from 313, and then when I took the 60 shares out, okay, this was an experiment, people. I experiment. I didn't know what the fuck it was gonna do. I needed the money though. You know what I'm saying? I need to make a quick little flip with the money. So when I took the money out, the 313 dropped me down to 299. That was a short sale. So when I short sold it, I took a quick loss. It cost me a penny. It cost me 1 cent to sell it. To get my damn shit off the platform, it cost me 1 cent. When I sold it, and when I sold the asset, again, I told you I was at $2.99. So by short selling, when you short sell something, you're going to lose that amount in stocks. Okay, so that $60, you're losing technically because you sold it at $3.13 a share. All right, and now the share's at $2.89. So you're not selling, you're not getting all the profit, you know what I'm saying, that you should have got. But what I did was at that 289, at 299, I immediately took those 60 shares and went back and bought, you know what I'm saying, at 289, I bought 60 shares at 289. And it brought my goddamn cost down, average all the way down to 289. It dropped it another 10 cents, and I was on point with the actual current current rate. Just telling you people, it's a backdoor crazy ass little loophole. But there's no loss in it. I didn't see no loss in it. I didn't take no loss. I sold the fucking 60 goddamn shares at $3.13 and paid 1 cent to share to sell it. I paid 1 cent to sell, and I just sat there, and you just have to watch and be careful not to fall into day trading, not to use more than your 4 allotted trades that they give you per whatever weekday or whatever, because it said your ass is about to goddamn get into your day trading limit and you won't be able to trade again till Wednesday or some shit like that. I ain't give a damn because I needed to make one more play. I sold it, watched it, and then immediately bought back into it, and that's why I'm at the 289 average cost right now. And that's a real time, real world example of short selling, and I'm telling you, I did the shit.
Hey yo, you didn't price cost average down lower than me. You know that, right?
I told you
I'm
that.
at 293. You said you had 289.
I said 289. I told you that the other day when I did this shit. When I asked you, I said, "Where you at?" And you said 293. I said, "Oh shit, nigga, I'm lower than you."
Yeah, people, we buying this shit at $3 a share, nigga. That shit can go up to $1,200, nigga. What?
I mean, again, if you can stand it, people, you have to have the amount of stocks. You got to have some skin in the game. And I did this before. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what I did before. When I had I was practicing short selling way back in the days, and I just didn't know what the fuck I didn't know the term for, because I seen when I sold this shit that it dropped the cost down. So what I was doing was, say I had $20, you know what I'm saying, on an asset, and it went up. I didn't know I was short selling, but what I was doing, I was selling everything but $1. So I'll sell like $19 of the whole shit and keep $1. So my thing was, I just want to keep some skin in the game. You know what I'm saying? But by me doing that, yeah, I was marking my place at that share price, unbeknownst to me. And then when I have enough money, all I had to do was come back now and double down on that dollar. And I'm at that share price. I'm telling you, like right now, Coinbase. First of all, people, welcome to the Bitcoin and Mo show. You know what I'm saying? Your whole Smelly Coin, one and only Crypto Tony. We are not giving out no goddamn financial information. We ain't giving out no goddamn financial advice. Shit that y'all getting is just some shit that we personally doing. And I'm sharing personal stories that if you can read in between the lines, goddamn it, then you can read. If you can't read in between the lines, then sit your dumb in a box of rocks ass to the side, and hopefully you will learn something by the end of this show. Because you are definitely not fucking picking up on what the hell I'm saying. I'm throwing fish back into a fucking full lake of, you know what I'm saying, fish and shit. Get the picture if you can't get no goddamn fish out this motherfucker. The lake is already full. All right. So anyway, that was the advantage that I was doing on Cash App. You know what I'm saying? And I'm telling you, at the time, I just did not know that concept. I didn't know the terminology that's what that was, but it made sense to me. I'm like, well, damn, if all I got to do is just hold on. But shit, if I do get caught high, I just need to be able to have enough to be able to take out. Because see, sometimes you get caught in the red and you just don't have anything to be able to take out, to be able to, to do a short sale. And that's when you get caught into averaging your costs down. That's when you have to put money. You have to put money onto that asset to average the costs down. But once you put enough money to get you back into the green, short that motherfucker, man. Short that bitch. And goddamn, bring that bitch all the way down to the wham bam, and then hold your money. Don't go and spend the motherfucking money, but hold the money and then come back in and buy those stocks back at that low ass price. I never sold. I mean, I never got rid of my shit. I just wanted a lower average cost. That's all. You're not trying to sell, get rid of the assets, and you're not trying to take a loss, and you're not trying to make a profit at this specific time.
Oh shit! This bitch laid back like I ain't.
So you drop your shit, short sell it, bam, bring it back in, and do it. And there you go. Now you got your whoop de whoop. That short selling in a nutshell. Now that shit don't make sense to you, man. Come on, man. God damn.
I mean, short selling. I mean, it makes sense. You know, I be bullshit.
It's cheating, bro. I think that's why you overlooking this shit, because you just such an up and up trader and shit.
This nigga just called me an uppity ass trader.
No, an up like an up and up.
I know.
Not well, yeah, you know, not uppity, nigga. You look like one though. That goddamn motherfucking Oxford ass goddamn shirt you got on and shit, with your motherfucking golf hat on and shit, with your fucking shit all tied up like you a real worker and shit. Nigga trying to get a motherfucking whole goddamn 1 cent raise and shit. Nigga, I'm gonna get that 1 cent today, nigga. Shit. Nigga, you know that 1 cent bring me all the way to 17, nigga. Oh, that's $16.99. Shit. I needs that. But yeah. All right. Let me see what the fuck happened. I want to get the fucking out. I don't want your fucking out. Need 4-minute explainer. YouTube only. Beginner investors. All right. Inspirational. Let's go with funky background music.
This might be a 2-part joint. I got to go.
Man, they done fucked me today in video. Y'all done fucked me today. And I normally have a nice little presentation video that I'm able to show people, and we do the whoop-de-whoop and all that. But I got you.
Damn, I need some fucking gas, boy. It's always something. I need gas, this, and that. Always something. Need some fucking money.
Right. All right, so here we go. What's the purpose of hedge? What's the purpose of short selling? Like, what is there any advantages in it? Short selling. Short sellers bet on and profit from a drop. Okay, not the rise. You're not worrying about the shit. If it's in profit, the fuck are you worrying about? You know what I'm saying? It's in profit, bitch. Sit there and wait until the goddamn shit comes into fruition, and then there you go. This is only when shit is downturning. When you see this shit starting to downturn, and you don't want to lose everything. Traders use short selling as speculation, and investors or portfolio managers may use it as a hedge people that's using somebody else's money against the downside risk of a long position. So they just don't want to get caught. You know what I'm saying? Like in Virgin Galactic, when it did its, super slide and shit and slid all the way down to motherfucking 75 cents and shit. Some people just didn't want to wait that long. You know what I'm saying? So they shorted the stock, kept their average down and then waited shit. And that was the smartest fucking thing. Imagine your shit, you was stuck at $5 and you was able to short that motherfucker down. You had enough in it though, but you wasn't in the red. So you was able to short it at least by $200, say $200. And that shit brung your average down to like from $5 all up, because it's at 75 cents a share. So they done and you finna sell at a loss. So you keeping it though. So you're keeping that however many shares, say 50 shares. And you still got enough in there, you know what I'm saying, that you can actually take it out without being in the red. Take them shares out, and then you immediately buy right back in. Because if that shit is at 75 motherfucking cents, It don't fucking matter how much you lost. You took the loss at the $5 per share. You for the goddamn have you know what I'm saying? So many shares of this shit now that all you have to do is sit up here and wait for that shit to come back.
Now, I agree with everything that he's saying, but I'm only gonna put this disclaimer in there, right? You only buy back into that specific share or stock when you have overwhelmingly done your due diligence on that stock, and you can clearly see that it retraced back to this from $5. And the reason why I'm going to get in is because I understand the fundamentals of this particular stock or crypto. He is not saying if you buy some shit and it go down to from 5 to 75 cents, you keep buying it without doing research, knowing that it's going to get back up to there. Again, we're not financial advisors. This is why I'm putting the disclaimer out there so that you guys understand exactly what he's saying. He's not saying that goes for any and every stock. He's saying that you do that for stocks that you know have a good fundamental reason for why it dropped and another good fundamental reason why it's going to go back to where it was. And if you can't come up with those conclusions, then that probably means you might just have to take that loss and move on and recoup your money on a different play, a different stock or crypto. All right. So,
or average cost down and don't short sell.
But
find a way to add.
Even with average costing down, you still could be average costing down to a dead stock, a dead crypto.
Well, yeah, that's true because we did
still make sure you do your research. You go look up whatever it is you need to look up to make sure that when you put your money in, it's going to bounce back up to that previous level. And if you cannot see that, then cut your loss right then and there and go find a different play, because what you'll do is you'll keep trying to catch that falling knife. And guess what? Sooner or later, that knife going to hit the fucking ground. It ain't going to be no space up beneath of it for you to fucking grab it. You're going to be at rock bottom and ass the fuck out. And don't think it can happen to you, because it didn't happen to me before.
It happened to everybody that's call themselves a trader. You know what I'm saying? Like,
all right, I got to go.
Skin in the game. All right, he got to get back in, people. We still covered enough though. You got the gist of what the fuck I was talking about.
Yeah, if we ain't doing that later, I'll try to hop back on. We can probably try to get a little.
Yeah, it's a rainy day in Florida, so I won't be moving around. I won't be moving around town like that. But I'll be sitting here working on the book and shit. You know me, I'm gonna get a couple of these crossword puzzles kicked out and start setting that little part up. I still got to go back. This is my 4th time editing the fucking book. 4th time, people, editing the Bible, but that motherfucker's coming out. When the Bible come out, I'm telling y'all gonna be like, wow. I don't know how the fuck I didn't have this book before. You know what I'm saying? Right. You got all the way goddamn right. Yes, you should have had this motherfucking book. And don't judge the goddamn book by its eerie looking ass cover, because it's by design. Everything that we do is by design. It's to keep punk ass motherfuckers away and shit. Yes. Completely done to keep punk ass motherfuckers away who just only motherfucking see shit with their eyes and are not thinking with their mind. If you're not thinking with your mind and you only think with your eyes, you shorten yourself a mind. You're not thinking correctly. You're not engaging in life correctly. You know, so it is what it is. It is what it is. My damn shit ain't working. All right, so short sellers bet on and profit from a drop in securities price. Short selling has a high risk reward ratio, offering big profits, but losses can mount quickly and may result in margin calls. Margin calls meaning, bitch, you put a bet out there and your ass goddamn it didn't go up where you said it was gonna go up. You still have to be responsible for that damn money. If y'all don't remember, if we go trade places, you know what I'm saying? Where these motherfuckers made a margin call on their own fucking business. They basically tried to inside trade on their own business. And Eddie Murphy and Dan Aykroyd called them in the sauce, called them in their shit, flipped the game on them. And at the end of the day, they were, and if you listen, it says, Mortimer, you guys are responsible for margin calls. So now they have to pay every fucking thing that they hedged, bought from other people, borrowed. They got to pay all that fucking money back. And I don't mean tomorrow, the next day. All fucking monies are due right the fuck now. Because if you would have motherfucking played your hand right, you would have wanted all your money right then and there. You wouldn't want the exchange to be like, oh, well, we'll send you your billions at the end of the week. Shit, no. My billion right now. But if you lost that billion because you didn't make a proper play, well, they got their money right then and there. And as you see that in trading places, the motherfuckers was went bank the fuck up because they had to give everything. Not everything, everything back. So you got to be careful. You know what I'm saying, on how you make these plays. So again, traders commonly engage in short selling. Hold on. Oh, you sitting there doing work. All right. So this is what happens. You engage in short selling for speculation and hedging purposes. You open a short position, and the trader must have a margin account, okay, and pay interest on the value of the borrowed shares while the position is open. Okay, so it has to be open. Like you just can't short a stock just because you see the bitch. You got to open the motherfucker up, put some investment, put some money into it, and so on and so forth. The FINRA, which is the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. They enforce the rules and regulations governing registered brokers and broker-dealer firms in the United States. Specifically, all right. Specifically, the New York Stock Exchange and the Federal Reserve, which have set minimal values for the amount that the margin account must maintain, known as the maintenance margin. And here we go. So broker locates shares that can be borrowed, returns them at the end of the trade. That's what you're supposed to be doing. You're not trying to hold these shits, you know what I'm saying, a whole week.
You gotta maintain the show and hold it down. I gotta get back to work, Pepper.
Yeah. Do your thing, bro. Appreciate that. You already know. One and only Crypto Tony, you know what I'm saying? That's dedication to the cause, people. Cause why? That's what we do around here. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin and Mo Show. Oh.
All right, y'all get at y'all later on tonight, man. Listen up to Smelly. He got some good information for y'all. Open your ears,
we're gonna keep
close your eyes, and listen.
Oh shit, my damn video just got done. Look at that, y'all. Just got the damn video of it. All right. I ain't gonna look at it. I just want to download it. All right, March, normal. All right. So we'll have a presentation to show in just a quick second. As we fly solo dolo, you know what I'm saying? Send out the bolo. Smelly by itself. Run. All right. Just a second. I'm gonna get this video loaded, and but in the meantime, all right. So if you want a step by step, first of all, you can go to investopedia.com. That's what I already said, and look up short selling. And in it will give you it'll take you through this whole little step by step everything. You know what I'm saying? Step 1, you're going to open a margin account. Step 2, you identify a stock to short. And then step 3, you locate borrowable shares. And then you place the short sale order. Number 4. Number 5, you monitor the position. 6, you close the short position. And lastly, you review the trade outcome. and then it gets all into how the time, you know, timing and everything else. But I want to get into this video real quick just so we can get y'all. Let me put the video up real quick. Unlocking the secrets of short selling. All right, so let me go into the yard of the stream. Hey, shouts out to everybody over here on Favorite, man. If y'all learning something from this information, if this is your first time ever seeing me, I'm known as Smelly Koins on YouTube. We do a stock and crypto information show each and every Monday. It's normally 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but because our schedules are conflicting, we kind of, you know, we work it with the time we have. So since Crypto Tony takes a lunch break at 11 o'clock, you know what I'm saying? We shifted the show to 11 o'clock. It is what it is. You only got an hour lunch break. Try to jam pack everything into an hour, you know. It is what it is. I won't leave nobody out. So give me 1 second. For my value. All right. All right. I just muted my mic. Okay. All right, hold on. Who the hell I got the club? I got the club. Check. All right. Check. Nope. Motherfucker from the screen. That work? Oh. All right. Let me. Okay, I created. Oh wait. Okay. All right, hold on, people. I need to go out and now and go back into and get my damn video. I couldn't create it on. Just a quick 4-minute video, little short video, just to kind of give you a wrap up of everything that I just covered, basically. Shit. Yeah. Actually, I wonder if I ain't gonna do that. I'm just gonna run it through presentation. All right, so all y'all over here, man, I'm finna turn this camera around so y'all can watch this video real quick and actually tune into it. Just a second. El segundo. Make sure we got value. right, and we don't have value. All right, let me pull this up into presentation mode. Stop screen share.
Back to the Bitcoin and Mo show. Today, we're breaking down short selling. Welcome.
All right. We've gotten our presentation up. Wow. All right, so here we go, people. Let me see. Video. Y'all can see my video. Let's see if we can drop this down some more. All right, there y'all go. So y'all can get to see the video. You won't get, But if you want to see the video in its entirety, you can go to youtube.com at BTC and more at CryptoTony1. Follow, like, and subscribe button and all that kind of good stuff. And you can see us live and actually ask questions and all that kind of stuff if you wanted to do that. So here we go. Check out a little quick presentation.
Welcome back to the Bitcoin and Mo show. Today, we're breaking down short selling, a strategy that can seem complex but is key to understanding the stock market. We'll cover the 10 must-know terms every beginner should understand before even thinking about short selling. No jargon, just clear explanations. By the end, you'll be able to follow any short selling conversation with confidence. Remember, this is for education. Short selling is risky and not for everyone. Let's dive into the essentials. First up, short selling itself. It's betting a stock's price will go down. Instead of buying low and selling high, you sell high first, then hope to buy low later. Short sellers profit if the stock drops, but lose if it rises. It's a bearish, high-risk strategy. To short a stock, you must borrow shares usually from your broker. You sell these borrowed shares at the current price. But you still owe your broker the same number of shares, so your goal is to buy them back later at a lower price. If the price drops, you profit. If it rises, you lose. You need a margin account to short sell. This special account lets you borrow shares and requires you to post collateral, cash or securities, as a safety net. If the trade goes against you, the broker wants to be sure you can cover your losses. Margin accounts come with strict requirements and big risks. Always know your broker's rules before shorting. Covering means closing your short position. You buy back the same number of shares you borrowed and return them to your broker. If you buy back at a lower price, you keep the difference as profit. If the price went up, you buy back at a loss. Covering is how you finish the short selling cycle. A short squeeze happens when a heavily shorted stock's price jumps unexpectedly. Short sellers rush to buy shares to cover, pushing the price even higher. This creates a feedback loop. More buying, higher prices, more panic. Losses can be unlimited for short sellers. It's the biggest risk in short selling. A stop-loss order is your safety net. It tells your broker to buy back shares automatically if the price rises to a certain level. This limits your losses if the trade goes against you. For short sellers, using a stop-loss is critical. Don't short without one. Naked shorting is selling shares you haven't actually borrowed. It's illegal in most cases because it can flood the market with phantom shares and manipulate prices. Regulators crack down on this practice. Always ensure shares are borrowed before shorting. Buy to cover is the order you use to close a short position. It's different from a regular buy order, which opens a new long position. Buy to cover tells your broker you're returning borrowed shares. It's the final step in short selling. A margin call is a broker's demand for more money or securities if your account value drops too low. This often happens if the stock you shorted rises sharply. You must quickly add funds or your broker may close your positions automatically. Margin calls can force you to lock in big losses. Always monitor your margin account closely. The uptick rule restricts short selling when a stock drops 10% or more in a day. You can only short on an uptick, at a price higher than the last trade. This helps prevent panic selling and market manipulation. It's a key regulatory safeguard. That's your crash course on short selling terms. We covered the basics, the risks, and the rules you need to know. If you learned something, hit like and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions or topic requests in the comments. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Thanks for watching the Bitcoin and Mo Show. See you next time.
That's what I'm talking about. Y'all see it? You know what I'm saying? That's how we do. All right. Let y'all get that little presentation. Now, normally with crypto on the show, and I go a little bit more in depth, but I done went already in depth before the video. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't got the gist of what I'm saying, and you ain't gonna get it. Put it that way. You didn't get the gist of what I was just saying, backed up with that video. You probably ain't gonna never get it. Yeah. But again, so if you find yourself, which you would think is in a loss, like right now, if I had the extra money to go and save Virgin Galactic on the Robinhood, I would. Because at this point, I would have the price cost average down. The average cost on Robinhood right now, I'm at $19.30 or something a share. So at this point, yeah, you would need the price cost average down, and which means you have to add more money to it. So if you're down 200, you really gonna have to put 200 in it. You know what I'm saying? To get back into your break-even point, try to bring yourself back into the green. So you have to kind of take a, you ain't no kind of, you have to take a loss in order to get back into a gain. And then once you get back into that gain, I short the shit out that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I short the shit out of it. Short the shit out the stock, and then and hold. Don't spend the shares or none of that. It's not for you to be like, oh, no, you don't. You go and you're saving yourself. So average cost down low enough to where you can, you know what I'm saying? And the short sale will make sense, because the short selling is so you can get all the way down to within a couple of cents of the current average cost. That's what you want to do. You want to be within like 5 to 10 cent, 5 cent possibly. But you know what I'm saying? Because each penny on 100 shares, you know what I'm saying? That's shit. That's what, $10. I think it's $10 or something like that. That's what you'll be looking at. So every time it go up a penny, you making $10. So it's the pennies count, people. You're not looking at the dollars. You're not looking at it to go up $1. You're not looking at it to go up $2. You're looking at it to go from 1 cent to 5 cent, 5 cent to 10 cent, 10 cent to 15. All of that is profit, depending on how much you got invested. Those pennies are the profit, not the dollars. The dollars are the X's. That's when you start hearing 10X, 20X, and all that. It's when you done completely, you know what I'm saying, double and maxed out your value. That's when you start 10X's and all of that. But in the meantime, in between time, yeah, short sell that shit, man. But again, people, you have to do you have the DYOR. Don't know these terms we saying. We in the season 2. You need to go back to season 1. Go to YouTube, got the videos set up, start looking at all of it. You don't even have to look at our live videos if you don't want to. It's so many of these presentations that I've created. Again, it's 52 weeks in the season. We do 10 words every Monday. You do the math. You know what I'm saying? We're in week 28 now of season 2. All right. So you ain't going to catch up on the terms. You know what I'm saying? With us, you won't catch up on the terms. We got a whole dictionary of 500 terms that we've personally put together that you won't find any website. In Investopedia, MSNBC.com, CoinGecko.com, any of our top sites that we utilize, you will not find a more extensive dictionary than what we have compiled in the 2 years, well, year and a half now that we've been doing this show. You won't find it. And if you find it, let me know. I want to talk to that motherfucker who done compiled that shit. You know what I'm saying? That's the like-minded person we need to be collaborating with. But we're doing the same thing. All right. So I'm gonna take one quick well shit. That's pretty much it, people. Just want to wrap that up, get it in, get it out, get it over with. That's what we do. On the way out, I will go ahead and throw my song on. My song is called Pump No Dump. I'm gonna put it on YouTube in a minute. Start sharing it on YouTube and Instagrams and everything, and getting some good promo for it. So, the song is called Pump No Dump. Yeah, by Mr. Pump No Dump. That's me, baby.
New song called Pump No Dump. Pump No Dump, baby. Yeah, let's get on into it. It's your man, Mr. Pump No Dump. Bring it to your life. Dirty Twin style.
On you, baby.
Y'all check this out. I wanna pump on your baby. Pump on. No dump. That's so lazy. Don't be lazy. Pump on your baby. No dump. That's so lazy. Oh, that's too lazy. I'm sitting here getting all pumped up. Cause you walking around happy. Girl, what you doing? Acting like you wanna. Give me that stuff. I yell out, hey girl, you nasty. Oh, you nasty. Oh. Right back me.
Throw that ass in the circle.
Told me everything. Girl, you make a blind man see. I can see a roving baby, you my sex machine. Oh, I wanna pump. Say what? On you, baby. Come on, y'all. No dump. That's so easy. Oh, pump on you, baby. Say what? That's so easy. Listen, jumped up. It hit it for y'all. Ooh, she brought the freak out of me. I put her head in the freezer so she won't overheat. Ooh, cool down, while I lay down by me. Oh, such icy high.
I ain't talking about Shaq, baby.
I might even pull out the whipped cream. It's all on y'all. Like a treasure's map. And lick the whole map clean. Say what? I wanna pump. Come on you, baby. Well, no dump. That's so lazy. Talking about. I said pump on you, baby. Tell y'all fellas, don't get out there and be lazy. So she started something. Got my heart running. I'm almost at the finish line. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. And all I could do was yell out, y'all. Baby, let's do it one more time. Oh, I wanna pump on you, baby. Don't dump. That's so lazy. I said pump on you, baby. Wow. I remember, fellas. What? Don't be no chump. Get in that bed. What? And pump. Okay. No time for giving up. Dump. That's real. What you want? What's that? New song called Pump No Dump. Pump No Dump, baby.
Yeah. Just a little promo I made. Check it. Got us a couple of little promos for the show. Y'all check out the promos on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Got some new little promos I'm gonna be posting to introduce people to the YouTube channel. saying? Yeah, real quick. It's another little platform out there for creators, man. If y'all looking to make little quick promo videos for your projects, it's called Render Forest. RenderForest.com. Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, let me get ready to end this shizzo. As we always do, give y'all our spiffy outro. And don't forget, man, check out Maryland Go-Kart Academy on YouTube. You can find those links and stuff at BTC and more at Crypto Tony 1. And we got a book out. Well, we don't have a book out, but I'm still in the last couple of stages of editing the BIBE. Basic information before investing everything. 27,000 word book. You know what I'm saying? And it's easy to read. It's not all complicated, but it brings you in from the A to Z point where you need to be at. Give you the basic. This is what you need to know coming into the game. And as you read through the book, it progresses you through our shows, basically. You know what I'm saying? It's basically our shows in a tangible reading form for people who like to read, as well as the ebook when we get the whole project up and running. We'll be able to turn into the ebooks and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, and get that popping. So make sure y'all get ready for the pre-order. And that is the BB. Basic information before investing everything. Outro here. One second. Let me get right. And our official. Hell is my mouse pad? All right, here we go, people. Damn. All right, so we out. The Philippines.